Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a CRM app with NocoDB, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the NocoDB website. Sign up for a free account if you don't already have one. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the New Project button and click on it. Choose a suitable name for your CRM app project. Select the database type you want to connect to. You can choose from options like MySQL, PostgreSQL, or even Google Sheets. After selecting your database, enter the necessary connection details. Click on Connect to establish the connection. Once connected, you will see a list of your database tables. Identify the table where you want to store your CRM data. Click on the table to open it. Now, customize the columns according to your CRM requirements. Add columns for customer names, emails, phone numbers, and any other relevant information. Set the appropriate data types for each column, like text or number. Next, enable the form view to allow data entry. This view allows users to input new customer information easily. Drag and drop elements to design the form layout as desired. Now, switch to view mode to see how your CRM app looks. You can adjust styling options if needed to improve aesthetics. To enhance functionality, enable features such as search and filtering. These tools will help you manage and find customer data efficiently. Next, explore the Automations section. Set up automated notifications for new entries or updates. You can also configure reminders for follow-ups with clients. After setting up automations, move to the API section. Generate API keys to connect your CRM with other applications. Store these keys securely for future use. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.